You may be one of those coaches who just cannot stop telling your client what to do. You, you may hear yourself saying things like, in a similar situation, here's what I did. Or more subtle, have you ever thought about trying XYZ? Or maybe you're just way over the top of, I know the answer to this one. I'm Brian Miller, Executive Director of Coach Approach Ministries. And I'm here to tell you as a coach, you can't tell people what to do. This does need to stop, but you can make observations. And maybe I can give you a little tip to move from solution giving and back that up into an observation. You may have been frustrated back in high school math when your math teacher said, you have to show your work. And you didn't understand why, because you knew that if this was the problem, you could find the answer very quickly. And that's what you're doing in your coaching today. If you're giving solutions, you're listening to what's going on, what the problem is, and just intuitively, you come up with a solution. Now, it may be a good solution. Most likely, it's probably not a good solution. But if you'll show your work from here's the problem, and I made some observations in here, just intuitively, I didn't think about what they were to get to this point where I feel like I can give you a solution. If you will stop as a coach and think through what observations you're making that might make you think this is a great idea to give them, you can share those observations. For example, I'm listening to someone share that they're kind of nervous about meeting with a staff member to give them some what may be considered tough feedback, and they're trying to think about how that meeting's going to go. Well, you hear the problem as a tough meeting, and you may say, "Oh, here's a model for tough meetings that I use all the time," which could be helpful. But the observation that I make as I see this is, first of all, that the client is nervous. So I make that observation. I don't just try to give them a solution. I can just say, boy, it sounds like you're saying you're kind of nervous about this, or you're dreading this conversation, or there's a lot of energy being taken away from you in this situation. I can just make that observation. It's much more helpful. So make great observations and then let your client decide what to do with it. It might lead them to their own great solution, might lead them to understanding the topic better. It can do all kinds of things, but don't just jump to your own conclusion. Note your observations and share them. Be sure and subscribe so you don't miss any of our great content.